Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thank you guys so much for coming back. So right now I'm kind of in a rush, but I figured that I will go ahead and do this video. Right now it is 10:24 and I have to be to work at 12 o'clock. So I'm gonna be doing a quick makeup look for work. Please don't mind my voice, like my body is going through something right now. So first things first, I'm gonna go in with my LA Pro Girl Conceal, and I usually like to slather this on. But today I'm not going to do that because I'm going to work, not to the club. So next I'm going to go in with a little bit of my Laura Mercier setting powder, and this is in the color medium deep. And for that I'm going to use my BH Cosmetics brush in the number 4. I'm going to be using two palettes. I'm going to be using my Anastasia Beverly Hills Modern Renaissance palette, which is one of my favorites. And I am going to be using the Zulu palette by Juvia's Place just to add a little bit of shimmer and shine to my eyelids. And that's it for the eyeshadows today. Okay, so first things first, I'm going to go into my Anastasia Beverly Hills Modern Renaissance. Right now it is 10:33. So now I'm going to go into my Juvia's Place palette, and I'm going to use this pink color right here just to add a little bit of shimmer to my eyelids. So what I did here was I took a little bit of the shimmer shade on my finger, sprayed it with a little bit of the Morphe Continuous Setting Spray powder. Now, if this is just not enough for you, you want something that is going to jump out a little bit more at you. I also use Primavera from the Modern Renaissance. I'm going in with Primavera. Again, I'm going to spray a little bit of setting spray on it, and I'm going to pop that right in the middle of the pink shimmery color that I used. So my alarm is literally gonna go off in like 30 seconds, and I'm gonna go ahead and do my eyeliner. I'm gonna go ahead and do my eyeliner because that is the worst process for me, so I'll be right back. I'm so worried right now that I'm going to work, and then people are gonna be like, what the hell? Like, I've never went to work with makeup on, which is really ironic because I do makeup videos, but I just don't wear makeup to work. And so I feel like when I go in there, like, they're gonna be like, what the fuck? So for my face today, for washing, I use this Garnier Skin Active, which I really love. My makeup remover is the same brands, and you know, these just go together so well. I'm gonna go in with the Farsali Unicorn Essence. Ooh, and when I tell y'all, y'all gotta y'all gotta move with this stuff because it drips fast. Came through dripping, drip drip. I like to combine two foundations for like the perfect full coverage look, and those foundations are the MAC foundation, and it is in the color NW50. That is the Studio Fix Fluid. And then I also like to use the Maybelline 24 Hour Stay, and this one is a little bit too light for me, but the MAC is a little bit too dark for me. So I just like to put like a half a pump of the Maybelline, and it's like the perfect shade. I'm gonna go in with my e.l.f. brush, and I'm just gonna give that a spray. And I really like this foundation because when I say full coverage, I mean full coverage. I'm going to set with my Laura Mercier setting powder. I'm going to take my Ulta Beauty contour kit and I'm just going to contour the perimeters of my face. I am going to highlight with my Anastasia Beverly Hills Glow Kit, and I'm going to use the color Bronzed. For lips, I'm just going to go very basic, and I'm just going to use Praline by NYX. As you all know, it's one of my favorites. For mascara, I'm going to use the Tarte Lash Paint. So this is the finished look, you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching my video. If you did like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you want to leave a comment, that would be lovely. And you should subscribe. Like, we go through this every single video. You might as well just go ahead and subscribe. I don't know what you're waiting on. And also tap the little bell. That way you know whenever I put up a video, you guys can just come on in and watch it. We're family. We're family. Thank you guys so much for watching my video, and I will see you guys in the next one. Mwah.